Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can install and unbox the Ring Alarm package. I already ordered this package from Amazon a couple days ago. This is the second generation Ring Alarm. This is a nice keypad. Door contacts. Probably in this house we need more door contacts. Let's count how many we need totally. And then include the package. There is a Echo dot speaker for voice command, and they have to join it to the and integrate it to the system. One more. Yeah, this is a motion detector, motion sensor, and this is a full package. The ring. Recently, we had a good experience with wireless alarm ring system. Ring recently have produced second generation. Most of our customers are happy with the first and second generation. Open it. There we go. Z-Wave. All devices working under networking Z-Wave, this protocol. We use ZigBee and Z-Wave protocol for most of the home automation products. This one working under Z-Wave network. There we go. This is a manual and sticker for print behind the windows. So this is a base station, nice quality, and very loud speaker is inside. Again, Z-Wave. That one works on two-way, wire or wireless. Probably I'm gonna use it with wire, faster, easier. And that one is for adapter. Let's keep going. This is keypad, very good quality, pretty cool. Another one, I have to scan it by QR one by one. Another one, Z-Wave. And that one is bracket for put on the wall for back of the keypad. So here is accessories, a couple of the door contacts and motion sensor. Here we have door contacts or window contacts, whatever. Can use it for both. That one attached to the frame, and that one attached on the opening, such a window or doors. Two, and then this is a range extender. That's working like the distributor, the data Actually, it's working like a access point. Not exactly like access point, but anyway, it helps to connect all devices together easier, faster. And the motion sensor. You can put it on the wall with these two sticker, and then or the corner with these two corner sticker like this on the wall, or no, the corner. Another one is keypad adapter. Another door contact and power supply for base station. There's a networking cable inside the box for user wire connecting, and that's adapter for base station. That's all we need for now. Let's get started to figure out where is the opening. This house is roughly 8,000 square feet. We're gonna use where's our corners for openings, doors and windows, and then we'll continue.